I'm sure glad the golden egg is safe.
But we haven't found out who the golden egg belongs to.
Don't worry, Izzy, my girl. We'll figure it out.
What was that?
A gold clue?
Huh? Oh, our last gold clue, and it's humming. You know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook. Let's draw some curved lines to help us remember the sound. We have all 3 clues to figure out what is inside the golden egg.
All 3 gold clues. That means we're ready to sit in our
golden thinking chair. And there it is.
Yo ho, let's go.